person would have hit somebody.
Hey, somebody told me survey time, Chico. How many people here came to see the WCW? How many people came here to see the NWO? Okay, now here comes the tricky part. How many came to see the original black and white? How many people came to see that lame red and black wolf pack? Survey says one more for the good guy. I'm Scott Hall. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
He's a real fat version of him. Real fat version of him. Really not depicting a Scott Hall version of him. These are how earthquakes come about.